Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I'm going to be presenting about hydrometer. So as I've wrote down, what is hydrometer? I wrote down here, a hydrometer is used to measure the density of a liquid. And we got ourselves a small and simple hydrometer I draw here, really quickly. And please excuse my bad drawing. So what are some of the characteristics of hydrometer? So a hydrometer, first thing first, down here in the glass box, they have lead in there. Why do they have lead in there, you may ask? It's because it is used to make the hydrometer float upright when put in a liquid. Next up, we got a long, narrow neck. So the functions of the long, narrow neck is it has scale reading on it that we can use to measure the density of liquid when we put it in a container. And yeah, and combining with two of this lead and the long narrow neck, the hydrometer will stabilize, or maybe the state of stable will stabilize when put in liquid. So that we can get a more accurate reading. And efficient process, sort of. So for example, this is a container, right, containing a liquid. And this is a hydrometer. When we put the hydrometer into the container containing the liquid, in order to measure the density of the liquid, we must let go of our hand, and the hydrometer will not go up and down, wobbly up and down, and it will not tip over left to right because of the long narrow neck and the lead in the hydrometer. It will stabilize and stay upright and float upright in the container, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over left or right. And additionally, the large airfield bulb is used to displace more liquid and cause an upthrust force towards the hydrometer. Upthrust force increases, hence hydrometer floats. So because as we know, of weight of water displaced is equal to the volume force, and the higher the The higher the weight of water displaced, the higher the blowing force. Moving on. Alright. In a less density liquid, the hydrometer is greatly submerged or greater. Hydrometer greater submerged in order to displace greater volume of liquid. And the same goes the other round. The same goes the other way. The hydrometer floats in a high density liquid. In a high density liquid, hydrometer will is partially submerged and thus less volume of liquid is displaced. I'm sorry, let me make sure from all of this. Volume of liquid is displaced. So we can make a conclusion based around of what we gather is that the higher the density, of a liquid, the lower the volume of liquid. Let me make it really quickly. The lower the volume of liquid displaced.